Dogecoin as the official currency of Mars? Elon Musk wavers. Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMugs got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Dogecoin as the official currency of Mars? Elon Musk wavers. China may be against cryptos, but here's why one still needs to pay attention. Schools might now be using blockchain technology. With around 300% rise as of January 2nd, 2022, Primecoin tops the list of meme coins. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, Doge, more than any other cryptocurrency, checks out as a currency according to Musk. He supports Dogecoin as the currency of Mars, but adds the decision is completely up to the people. The billionaire's backing for the token shows no signs of warning. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked with our headline being Elon Musk has shown his interest in the parody currency Dogecoin once again. Musk stated his preference for Doge over Bitcoin in a recent interview with Lex Fridman. Elon Musk, a former PayPal executive, believes Dogecoin is ahead of the pack as a means of trade. This isn't the first time Elon Musk has stated this viewpoint. Tesla CEO Elon Musk told Lex Fridman that he believes Mars will use a cryptocurrency, citing Dogecoin as a viable option. After professing his optimism about humans landing on Mars by 2026, he remarked this. Musk emphasized, however, that the decision of a currency would be left to the people of Mars and said it would be a kind of localized entity on Mars. During this chat, Musk discussed the status of the banking system and how cryptocurrencies corrects government-created problems. This was said by the billionaire, who cited the difficulties of maintaining the database as well as the government's discretionary authority to expand supplies. While Bitcoin improves on this system, its limited transaction volume and hefty costs makes it unsuitable as a currency and more akin to a store of value, according to Musk. He said that Dogecoin, on the other hand, was more scalable in terms of volume and had very low fees. Layer 2 alternatives such as the Lightning Network, which have been implemented in areas like El Salvador, solves the difficulties mentioned, according to Musk. He went on to say that Bitcoin's deflationary nature encouraged individuals to hodl it rather than spend it, and this was not a quality and that a currency should have. Musk went on to say that Dogecoin's design of a fixed inflation rate solves the problem without necessarily making it worse. So moving forward with our next segment for today. So apparently China, even after banning crypto, remains in huge headlines. It's weird, but okay. China may be doubling and tripling down on its crypto sanctions, but concluding that the nation is slipping behind rivals in the fight for crypto acceptance is a massive error. Let's have a look at the current citation. While decentralized crypto and CBDCs may appear to be poles apart, Alden pointed out that China has developed and tested its own programmable money long ahead of its Western competitors. Alden hypothesized on the country's growth with a CBDC. It appears to be quite a bit they've putting it through its paces because, in the last year or so, we've seen Western central banks talking about, investigating it, but China has been testing it, researching it since 2014. China was historically reliant on the dollar-based economy as well as food and energy imports, according to Alden. However, as a result of this dependency, the country has been subject to economic sanctions. China's haste in issuing and testing its own CBDC, according to Alden, might be a method to improve trade relations and collaborate with foreign partners outside of the SWIFT-based financial system. She commented on the ECNY timeframe, saying they've already put their CBDC to the test in a number of cities. It's that sense it works. When it comes to the rollout space, Alden says they don't want to be shut off from buying commodities and trade with their partners because of another country. In other words, just because China kicked out its decentralized crypto ecosystem doesn't mean the nation is opposed to crypto innovation and acceptance. Furthermore, with deteriorating international trade ties, China has a strong motive to shift away from dollar reserves and make it simpler to send money across borders in its own currency. So moving forward, do you guys go to schools, or maybe you miss going to school? Apparently my audience is not that young, but what if I tell you that schools might be using blockchain technology now? What would be your first reaction? Anyways, like this is happening, let's have a look at what made me reach at this conclusion. The Prime Minister awarded the graduating IITians with their degrees in a blockchain based digital version on December 28, marking a first. Until today, we'd only heard about blockchain technology in reference to cryptocurrencies. Digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are enabled by this technology. The potential for blockchain technology to change other important domains, on the other hand, may be a bigger story. One area in which new technology has the ability to significantly revolutionize things is education. With the National Education Policy 2020, India has set a high goal for itself. By 2030, the objective is to achieve a 100% gross enrollment ratio in school education and to increase it to 50% in higher education by 2035. Thanks to the Internet of Things and the availability of low-cost computer and internet services, blockchain technology may now assist advances across a range of processes and applications requiring administration, storage, retrieval, and security of massive and essential data. Financial transaction data such as cryptocurrency, electoral voting data, medical records, academic courses, property ownership data, and professional testimonials are all examples. The system and the data it contains are fraud-proof, transparent, and trustworthy thanks to the decentralized structure. From coursework, attendance, and extracurricular activities to information about degrees and colleges visited, blockchain technology might provide an excellent foundation for handling student data. It would be a secure system that guaranteed educational records integrity. If they were to provide access to important documents, prospective educational institutions and recruiters may depend on them. Similarly, information about instructors may be properly retained, allowing a school to keep track of their progress. The blockchain ledger would give a time-stamped and tamper-proofed record of instructor performance, including attendance, student evaluations, the number of students selecting electives, research output, and publications, among other things. These tapes might be connected to faculty evaluation systems, resulting in increased accountability. Professors would be able to find the top students for projects this way. A blockchain ecosystem might be used to construct a scholarship system that compensates students for their academic success and consistency. Adoption of blockchain technology in education might help improve the efficiency of the school environment and optimize the use of human and physical resources. In the process, issues like data privacy, cost, scalability, and interoperability with previous systems will need to be solved. It will assist in a more safe, transparent, collaborative, innovative, and future-ready educational system that can accommodate rising enrollment. So, wrapping up with our final segment, the top meme coin as of 2nd January 2022 is Prime Coins. Let's have a look at its description and stats. Today's Primecoin price is $0.210407 USD with $1,240,425 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our XPM to USD pricing is updated according to 6 p.m. IST. In the previous 24 hours, Primecoin has increased by 275.04%. With a live market cap of $8,215,279 USD, coin market cap now ranks 1158. It has a circulating supply of 39,044,531 XPM coins with no maximum supply. If you're looking for a place to buy Primecoin, the best cryptocurrency exchanges for buying Primecoin stock right now are AEX, SouthX Exchange, and Bitilicious. Others are included on our cryptocurrency exchanges page. Primecoin is a cryptocurrency. Users are able to generate XPM through the process of mining. It is currently trading on two active markets with $1,238,615.55 traded over the last 24 hours. More information can be found at primecoin.io. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.